You have heard the claim, I am sure. AI can build anyone a website now, for free, in seconds. So let's not argue about it. Let's just try it, honestly, right here, and see what we actually get. I will play a real person. Someone who just started a small cleaning business and needs a website. No design knowledge, no jargon. Just a plain sentence typed into the chat, the way any of us would. And I am not going to nudge it along or tidy up the prompt to make a point. This is a fair, honest request. Exactly what a real owner would type. Let's see what it does. There it goes. Thinking, writing. Give it a moment. And there, a finished web page. And I will be the first to say it. That is not half bad. A clean hero, a headline, the services listed, a booking form sitting right there. If you had never seen a real website builder, you might be genuinely impressed. I almost am. It looks nice. Genuinely. If all you wanted was a pretty picture of a website, you could stop right here and feel rather pleased with yourself. So the picture is lovely. Now let's find out whether there is anything behind it. See this form? Go on, click in it. There is no booking behind it. Nothing on the other end catching a single one of them. It looks like it takes appointments. It takes nothing at all. And say you wanted to change something. Anything. A price, a photo, a line of text. There is simply no way to. No panel, no button, no setting. What the AI handed you is what you have forever. Unless you sit down and learn to open the code and edit it by hand. Now, what about SEO? Forget about it. An AI-generated site is about the worst thing you could hand to Google. The AI never spared a single thought for how a search engine would read this. There is no way to optimize it, no way to tune it, no way in. And for a local business, that is not an inconvenience. It is a catastrophe. Because a local business lives on local SEO, on being updated, and updated often. Fresh photos every week. This week's hours, this week's specials, a note on the door that you are closed for the holiday. So here is where it all lands, and I want you to sit with this for a second. To actually run an AI-generated site, you would need to be a professional. Someone who can read the code and rebuild it by hand. But if you are that professional, you already know better. And you would never build on an AI-generated site in the first place. Now, you do not have to take my word for any of this. Let's ask the one witness who cannot be accused of taking my side. The AI that built the thing. So I typed, plainly, does this website really take appointments? Does it send emails? And how do I change the images? Read its answer with me, because it is remarkable. No, the code I generated is a front-end demo only. Its words, not mine. A front-end demo. Then, it shows you exactly what that lovely booking form does when a customer hits submit. This one line. It pops up a little message that says thank you, and then it does nothing at all. It does not save the appointment, it does not check whether you are free. It takes no payment, and it sends no email. Your customer walks away thinking they have booked. You never even know they came. Here is what it said. For a complete working website, Instinctor is the better solution. The whole site, it says, not just a static page. Real forms, online bookings, customer submissions, email handling, and full control of the content. Then it lists what you would actually be able to manage. Bookings and appointment requests, contact forms, confirmation and notification emails, prices and services, your text, your images, your galleries, your colors and layouts. Every single thing the AI just admitted its own site cannot touch. So here is the verdict. And remember, it is the AI's, not mine. The page it generated is a nice visual prototype. Instinctor is what turns that prototype into a real, manageable business website, with all the working parts actually built in.